Hey guys, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Jaden Tipton. I'm a realtor here in the Leander Cedar Park area with Keller Williams Realty. Helping families just like you get into a home of their dreams, or even if it's not the home of their dreams, at least their first home that they can continue to build and build wealth for their family and eventually get into the home of their dreams. And so if that's something that resonates with you, I would love to be the next person to help you get into your home. Contact me at 512-677-5274 and let's get the process started.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
Anyways, today we're gonna highlight the Pulte Homes right there in the Horizon Lake community. Hey, you get the best of both worlds. You get the lake life, you get the city life. Right off of 2243 and 183, these homes are located in a prime location, not only for all the growth going on Leander, but also to enjoy a quiet serenity community, such as Horizon Lake. And that's really important to know because it's a very awesome community that you don't want to miss out on with your opportunity to buy right now. Anyways, we're gonna highlight the Nelson floor plan. This home sits at 2,057 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths, with a lot of features that are actually included that I'm gonna highlight right now for you. So in your home, you're gonna get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor with 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Why is that important? 9-foot floors actually make your home feel bigger. Because it's a 2-story plan, most of these in this community are, you want to feel like your home's bigger than it really is. And that's what's great about 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. It makes your home feel so much bigger, which honestly just makes you feel like you have all the space in the world, especially if it's a home that you want to buy, because let's face it, this is going to be one of the biggest purchases you'll probably ever make in your life, and that's highly important to know because you want to make sure you enjoy it. Anyways, I want to share a couple things with you, highlight a few things, and then we'll get on to the video tour. The first thing is, in my video I mentioned that these cabinets were 42 inches in that standard, or in that video specifically, but really and truly you only get standard 36-inch cabinets. And I say only, not as a degrade to it being anything, but it is important to know that 42-inch cabinets are an upgrade, but 36-inch cabinets with crown molding is something that you really want to enjoy, because when you have crown molding, it makes it look a lot better. Anyways, and that's standard. So you still get exceptional cabinetry. You just miss out on the ability for 42 inches if you go with a standard home. But with Pulte Home, there are so many things you can upgrade on a to-be built home that actually goes above and beyond what you may think for somebody who is building a home for a first-time home buyer. Another thing I want to really mention is that there are cultured marble countertops with a 4-inch backsplash and double porcelain sinks in the primary bathroom. That's important for all of you people who want a double vanity. Most home builders, if you don't know this, don't include 2 sinks as a standard feature. It is an upgrade. And so that's important to know because in Pulte Homes, you get it as a standard feature in your home, which is great because that's one less thing you have to worry about when you go to buy a home. Anyways, let's get on to the last few things I want to share with you. Right now, the quarterly fee for your HOAs is $150 a month. Now, Jaden, what does that get me? You see, there's over 2 miles of walking trails that you don't have to worry about being maintained. They are maintained by the HOA. You get access to the lake, which allows you to not only enjoy a family time out, but also get that view that you've always wanted right here in the city of Leander. Another thing you should really know is the property tax rate. Right now in this community, we're sitting at a 2.01% rate. That is really good. It's going to keep your property taxes lower. You're not going to have a substantial fee, and that's really good to know. Anyways, as you can tell, I'm not standing in front of the home. And as you can tell, it is raining, which is why I'm not standing in front of the home. So I'll include a picture right here of what the home looks like. And then we'll hop into the video tour where I'll talk to you about everything, whether it be an upgrade, whether it be standard feature, or what have it. And then I will include the standard featured list in a link below. If you just comment I want standard features from Pulte. If you can do that and then also reach out to me and text me done, hey, I'll get that over to you. That way you have a better idea when it comes to buying a new build construction with Pulte Homes. Anyways, enjoy the video tour. Taking this big 7-foot door, walk in the front door. Let's check out some of these things. Right here on the left, guys, you'll have a closet. The rest of the front door. Your open concept floor plan. Dedicated dining space. Kitchen island with ample space to entertain your guests. Right here into the living room. Ignore the accent wall as that's not a part of the plan, but it is something to keep note of in the future if this is something you see for yourself. Another additional feature that they added to this home is this sliding glass door. It's not a standard feature, but it is something that you should keep in mind as it makes this view exceptionally beautiful and it makes this home look a lot bigger. We'll step into your big covered patio for this elevation of floor plan. With a dedicated yard, you'll have another fence if this were a neighbor home. Just checking out the model homes right now. We'll look around. We'll step right back in, take a different look. Don't quote me on this, but I believe Pulte Homes includes refrigerators and washer and dryers when they do sell a home. And if not, if you have a realtor who is good at negotiating, you can also get that negotiated into any new build contract. Anyways, we'll check out the first bedroom right here on the floor, first floor. As we travel in, we'll check out the decent sized closet for this bedroom. Got plenty of space in this room. That is a queen size bed. As you can tell, there's plenty of room. Right here, you got your first full bathroom featuring Kohler sink, Kohler appliance fixtures on both the shower and the sink. Full backsplash shower. Another towel upgrade right there for anybody who's looking for a Pulte home. We'll come back out here. Walk through here. You got your gas grill with your flat top. No coils, no anything, stainless steel. Whirlpool appliances. Nice 42-inch cabinets, which is also another upgrade. Here is another upgrade that you can add with some quartz countertops. Step into your pantry. As it's under the stairs, they have created a pantry that is an ample amount of storage room for somebody who's living in this home. We'll take a walk over here. Here's your Whirlpool washer and dryer, front loaded. Here is your standard laundry room, where you'll also find any internet connections that are going to be in your home. This can be your standard hub. Right there, you'll have the garage. 2-car garage, by the way. Then a mudroom for you to enter in. Flooring on this first floor is an upgraded flooring. Stay tuned for the end of the video as I will mention what is considered standard in these homes and not. And so we'll walk up the stairs. Here you go. Standard carpet up the stairs into the second floor. Right off of here, you got a nice little game linen closet, whatever you want to call it. Step over here to the second bedroom. As you can see, there's a lot of space in here. You got a dresser, a desk, nightstand, another full-size bed here with decent closet space. Perfect for anybody with a lot of hanging clothes and not a lot of things to store. We'll walk right back out here into the next bedroom. As you can see, this one's set up more for little kids who are looking to share a home. You got 2 twin-size beds with a nightstand in between. Few filers right here with a nice sized closet. Again, similar style. Take a look into your other full bathroom with some black quartz countertops. Tile shower again. This is another upgrade. black color finishes. And here we go. Step into your primary suite. King size bed, perfect amount of room. Got room for a chair. We'll step into the closet. That's right off the main bed. As you can see, there's plenty of room for anything you need to store in this closet. Not only do you have shelves as well, but you got plenty of storage on top, as well as any hanging storage needed. Let's step into the primary suite bathroom. Again, with the black quartz countertops. Non-standard will have to be an upgrade along with this. As I said again, I will make sure and put any of that upgraded stuff for you. In the shower, you have not only your shower head on the wall with a shower wand, but you also have a rainfall shower, which is a nice upgraded feature in this home because it does make showering a lot easier. Here you have your dedicated bathroom area for all your do's and do nots. Again, flooring is the same that it was on the first floor. It may be an upgraded flooring, but I will check and put at the end of the video to make sure. And here you go. You got your perfect towel closet with a lot of space for anything that you need to put in there, right off of the shower in case you forget one. And now we're gonna go back into here. We're gonna go check out the loft. And here you go. You got a shared loft. Nice little area to overlook the front door. You can even put up decorations right there. Outlets in the ground. This area. And so what's unique about this home is not only do you have this private little lot up here, but if you take a couple steps up into this floor plan with the added additional feature of your own porch off of the back to look out over Leander, Texas. Right over there. Got more views that way. So, yeah. But this is definitely an added upgrade for anybody looking forward to it. I will definitely link any upgraded necessary in this video, along with the elevation of this floor plan and what standard features are included. Now we'll take a look down here. We'll just take our way back downstairs. We'll take one last look. Pulte Homes here in Horizon Park, Leander, Texas. If you like this video tour, stay tuned for more later on my channel.
As I mentioned in the video and during the tour, I was going to go over and list the standard features for this home. I'm not going to list it on here, but I will include it in the description with a link to Horizon Lake, and Pulte Homes included features. But I'll list them right now just so that you have them here on video, but you can also find a link to them on the description below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions regarding this community. I would love to help you in anything that you need. Anyways, here it is. And then at the end of this video, if you can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that really helps me grow. But more than anything, I want to get to know you. So if you want to reach out to me by calling me or texting me, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that'd be greatly appreciated. Anything helps, and I look forward to getting to work with you. So here it is. First off,
inside your home, you're going to get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. It's really important to know having 9-foot ceilings on the first floor when you have a 2-story home is valuable because it makes the home feel a lot bigger. You don't feel cramped. You don't feel like there's not enough space. It's an ample amount of open air allowing you to entertain your guests. You get shower carpet and tile throughout. Ceiling fans in the great room, owner suite, and game room. Cat 6 phone line in the great room. Owner suite and study. These are all applicable to the floor plan that you choose. Obviously, not every floor plan has a great room or a study because a great room is a second living area. Anyways, sorry, take that back. Not every single home has the study in the owner suite, not the great room. The great room is your living room on these floor plans. I apologize. That's my bad. RG6 cable TV phone line in the great room, owner suite, and if there is a study. Scalage satin nickel doorknobs throughout. Very nice touch. Drag texture on interior walls and ceilings. Raised 2-panel arch tops. Smooth interior doors. Wood shelving closet. Linen closet, pantry, and then laundry room if applicable to the floor plan. Lighting package by Kichler. So these are all really important to know that you got some top-notch features inside your home. Now talk about the kitchen. You get standard 36-inch picture frame cabinets with crown molding, 2-centimeter granite countertops with ceramic tile backsplash, stainless steel gas range, stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel microwave, vented to exterior, 8-inch double bowl stainless steel 50/50 sink, ice maker connection for future refrigerator, 1/3 horsepower disposal unit, Moen kitchen single handle with pull down faucet and chrome, LED lighting, gourmet kitchen islands. In the owner's bathroom, you get picture frame cabinets, you get cultured marble countertops with 4-inch backsplash and double porcelain sinks. You get large walk-in shower with multi-piece unit, Moen Dartmoor chrome faucets, elongated front bowl toilet. So the black features that you saw in the video were an upgrade, which is totally okay, but you do get some nice features included in the home no matter what package you get. These are all included features that I'm going through. In your secondary bathroom, picture frame cabinets, cultured marble countertops again with that 4-inch backsplash, single porcelain sink, tub shower combination with 3-piece surround, Moen Dormoor chrome faucets, round front bowl toilet, pedestal sink, and powder bathroom. So if you have a half bathroom, it's going to be a pedestal sink. Nice little simple touch. And now let's talk about the exterior. Exterior detailing, one side masonry, first floor only, post-tension cable engineer foundation, engineered floor joists for structural integrity, cast limestone address block, address numbers, varies per elevation, exterior coach light at garage, 2 exterior hose beds, PEX, water piping, 6-foot privacy cedar wood fencing with gate and backyard, Bermuda sod and irrigation in the full yard. Landscape package includes 2 3-inch trees and a variety of shrubs, solage door, front door handle set and deadbolt, stained 6-panel insulated fiberglass front door with peephole, 3-tab composite roof shingles with 25-year limited warranty, 4/8 wood termite pre-treatment on the frame up to 2 feet, 2-car attached garage with garage door opener, steel raised panel, texture garage door, uncovered patio. Energy efficient, Department of Energy Tier 2 compliance HVAC systems, 40-gallon gas water heater, Honeywell programmable thermostat, double pane low E vinyl glass windows, 2-phase polycell sealant to reduce air infiltration, R30 blown insulation in the attic, R13 exterior wall insulation at air conditioned areas, foam seal on exterior walls, weather resistant barrier, LED lighting on most fixtures. Obviously varies by location. Smart home ready 30-inch on Q panel in laundry or owner's closet with 15-amp dedicated plug, pre-wire for your wireless access points, Cat 6 data line and RJ45 jack in great room. Service conduit with pull string from exterior on the Q panel in your room, in your closet or laundry room. Pulte protection plan. So the first year you get a general workmanship and materials warranty, 2-year mechanical warranty, 5-year leak protection warranty, and then a 10-year structural warranty. So those are the included features. Some of the things that I mentioned in there I wasn't sure. I'm now sure of. Those upgraded floorings are definitely an upgrade. Some of the other things that I pointed out were definitely upgrades. And so, not to mention I said something about the washer and dryer being included as well as the refrigerator. If you have a great negotiator on your side, those things should not be a deal breaker, especially in new build construction. So if that's something that resonates with you, feel free to reach out to me again. Y'all have a great day, and thank you for watching. Peace out.